Why don't we make some oven steak fries today? Easy peasy. Let's make this. I have 2 well scrubbed potatoes here. We're gonna use russet potatoes for this recipe. And you know, these are big, so should be enough for 4 people. We're gonna cut the tips off. And then we're gonna cut it in half. Okay, this one has some imperfections, so I'm gonna clean it. And I'm gonna cut this in half. Note that I'm not peeling it. I want that skin. So this, I didn't cut exactly in the middle like I should have, so this is really thick. I'm going to go ahead and cut it one more time. You don't want your slices to be excessively thick, but you don't want them thin either. We're going to pour olive oil on these, enough to cover them. Salt and pepper. Now, you can put paprika in here, you can put garlic powder in here, you know, just be as creative as you want. I want to make this simple, salt and pepper. I'm just gonna mix it all so it's all coated equally. See, 2 potatoes go a long way. So now we're gonna place our potatoes in our roasting pan. Whenever you are roasting vegetables, it is very important that you do not pile them, because if you do, they will steam. This is going into a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 230 degrees Celsius, for about 40 minutes, guys. But at the 20-minute mark, I'll bring these out, we'll flip them over, okay? 20 minutes have gone by. Now we're gonna flip these over. When you're making them, you don't need to take the whole pan out of the oven, just flip them. I broke a couple, but it's because I didn't have enough oil on that end, but that's okay. I'm gonna put these back in the oven for another 20-25 minutes until they're nice and brown. Check out these potatoes. Be careful not to burn yourself, okay? But look at this. They are so beautiful. They're browned. Oh, yum. All right, let's taste these. I spread out my potatoes on this board and slather them in ketchup, mainly because I couldn't get a decent picture of them. But let's try these. You hear that crispy skin? Yummy. Enjoy these, guys.